Paper, paper, paper. In the past, paper was treated as pure trash, going straight to our landfills. Today, waste or scrap paper and paperboard products are the #1 exported commodity out of the Port of Los Angeles. Here, recycled paper is exported and sold to waste paper recycling plants primarily in Asia. Over the past 20 years, environmentally conscious cities, retailers, and consumers have substantially grown the amount of paper that our society recycles. In 2013, nearly 20 million metric tons of containerized waste paper was exported. Now that is a lot of paper. As the nation's busiest container port, the Port of Los Angeles acts as a massive funnel for recycled materials like paper. Discarded paper in all forms, from cardboard, notebook paper, news and magazine print, is ultimately purchased by materials recovery facilities, also known as MRFs. And that's why one of the top 3 paper exporters in the U.S., Potential Industries, is located just minutes from the port in Wilmington.
The founders of Potential Industries were interested in creating a company that would do something positive for the environment. It's my understanding that in 2013, scrap paper was the #1 commodity that was exported in containers from North America.
So how many tons or TEUs of scrap paper does Potential Industries export annually?
From this facility alone, we send between 50 and 60 containers per day through the Port of Los Angeles. Approximately 85% of our total volume is scrap paper, the other 15% being a combination of plastic, glass, and aluminum.
The paper arrives mixed with other recyclables and must be sorted before it is compressed into bales, sold, and shipped to Asia.
Here at Potential Industries Material Recovery Facility, aka MRF, we use a combination of sorting techniques. We use human beings to pull things, we use magnetics, we use mechanical screens, we use latest and greatest high technology, near-infrared optical sorting technique. That's a process where infrared light beams determine the molecular structure of materials, and then little blasts of air separate that from the stream.
Once the scrap paper arrives at the paper recycling plants in China, it is reduced back down to paper fiber and then turned back into paper products such as paper towels, coffee filters, and packaging. In fact, there are over 5,000 products made from recycled paper. Just like the recycling logo illustrates, the loop for recycled paper goods goes round and round. Imagine, that box your flat TV screen came in will ultimately go back to China, where it will be reprocessed into a box containing your New Year's resolution running shoes, and then shipped back to you. The box goes back into the recycling bin, and the cycle starts all over again.
One of the advantages of working with the Port of Los Angeles is our ability to handle local, regional, and national accounts. Material is loaded on trains that come directly to the Port of Los Angeles.
With the importance of recycling and sustainability gaining momentum each year, the Port of Los Angeles is dedicated to working with companies like Potential Industries to recycle more and waste less. It's good business and good for the environment.